second part of project guidelines. So in this video we are going to discuss how to start the project. So before starting the project we have to follow some three essential steps. Step 1, guide or project supervisor. Yes, in digital education or twinning program MBA, if you are doing a project without guide, that is unguided project or self-guided project will not be accepted by the university examination team. So it is essential to have a guide or project supervisor for your project. So how to select a guide or a project supervisor for a project? So for twinning program, not an issue. Reason that twinning program institution will appoint a guide for your project work. So you can follow that person for your project guidance. For this digital education people, they have to select their own guide or project supervisor for their MBA project work. So here we are going to see who can be a guide for your project or who can be a project supervisor. So all project work should have a guide or project supervisor, preferably in your own city. You can select a person in your own city or town, or in the organization in which you intended to carry out your project report, which means a person who is working in the organization where you are going to do your project work. You can select a person from that organization also. So in this two mode, you can select your project supervisor or guide for your MBA project work. So what is the eligibility for being a project supervisor or guide? The project can be guided by any postgraduate degree holder with or without a doctorate degree working in academic institutions. So preferably teaching PG courses, that is MBA or MCOM level programs. So you can select a person from educational institutions where preferably he is teaching MBA or MCOM level program. If not, if you are not getting person like this, or you can select from the industry side, from the industrial enterprises or banks or financial institutions, but these people should have the knowledge of guiding MBA project work. So if they are having a knowledge of guiding project work, means you can select those persons. So these are all the eligibility for taking a guide for guiding your project work. Step 2, choosing an organization. For doing this MBA project work, you have to select an organization for doing your project. So how to choose? You can choose any organization which is convenient to your location. Preferably a medium size or a large size enterprises. If you are not getting this medium size or large size enterprises, you can select small scale industry also. After selecting the organization, you have to approach the HR manager in that organization or PRO for necessary permission. So here you no need to get any permission letter for this distance education people. For this twinning program, you have to get the guidelines what the institution is saying. After the organization selection and getting necessary permission, visit the selected organization frequently and try to get the necessary information from that organization and collect the information what you needed for complete your project. Step 3. Before starting your project, you please thoroughly read the research methodology paper which you have studied in the first semester. So, in that paper, you have studied the objectives of research work, methodology, sampling and its techniques, hypothesis, statistical data analysis and report preparation. These type of topics you have studied over there. You please once again revise these things. So here the project work is depends on that research methodology paper which was there in the first semester. You please go through those paper thoroughly.